Beautiful day to buy a camper. We're out here at Camping World in Buford, Georgia, under the great big American flag. You can't miss it. We're right off of 85, 2289 Rock Quarry Road here in Buford. Look us up online or come see us. When you get here, ask for J.R.V. Mitchell. This is a Keystone Coleman 23B. Weighs in at 4,462 pounds, sleeps 8 people, overall length of 27 feet and 6 inches. It's a tandem axle unit. Got a large power awning with a built-in LED. Outside hookup for your television outlet there. Step into a little love seat couch with a walk-around bed with plenty of storage. Got a 2-burner gas stove with a microwave, a sink, a fridge and freezer, as well as a dinette that converts into a bed. Got your spot for your television hookup. Very roomy bathroom with a skylight. It's a brand new unit. And then we got your bunks. Perfect setup for small families, 4 people, 5 people. Says it sleeps 8. I have bunks. We only got about 2 or 3 of these left, so come get one. It's a great starter for a family. Come get you one before they are gone.